Thank you for choosing our product. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through how to install your smoke alarm step by step. To get started, insert the battery into the slot to power on the alarm. Press and hold the test button for 1+ second until the LED flashes rapidly and you hear beeps. That means it's ready to protect your home 24/7. Where you install your alarm really matters. Not sure which rooms need one or how to install it? That's okay. Your instruction manual has everything you need. For best results, mount it on the ceiling at least 4 inches, 10 centimeters, out from the walls. No ceiling access? No problem. Just put it on an interior wall instead, keeping the top 4 to 12 inches, 10 to 30 centimeters, below the ceiling. This positioning catches smoke more quickly. Once you've picked the perfect spot, you're ready to install. For this demo, we'll show you how to wall mount it. This alarm offers 2 installation options: traditional screw mounting or convenient adhesive installation. We'll guide you through both methods. For screw mounting, you'll need a pen for marking, a screwdriver, and an electric drill. The alarm's back features a detachable rotating bracket. After removing it, you'll see 2 screw holes on the bracket. Position the bracket at your desired location and mark the screw holes with a pen. Drill holes at the marked spots, then insert the plastic plugs. Align the bracket and screw it in place, snug but not too tight. Gently twist the alarm onto the bracket until you hear it lock. That's it! Your screw installation is now complete. If drilling isn't an option, you can use the included adhesive film for quick installation. First things first, make sure your wall or ceiling is smooth, clean, and dry. This helps the adhesive stick better. Peel off the protective film from one side of the adhesive and press it firmly onto the back of your alarm, holding for at least 10 seconds, especially along the edges. Next, remove the protective film on the other side. Press the alarm firmly onto your chosen spot and hold for at least 10 seconds to make sure it sticks securely. Fair warning, the sticky stuff loses its grip if you peel it off. Either grab fresh pads or go for the screws next time. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You're now fully equipped to install your alarm with confidence. Should you have any questions, our customer support team is always here to help. May it stand guard over your family's safety, providing peace of mind for all the years to come.